So people always ask me, what kind of green juice should I actually drink? What's in a grapefruit will actually inhibit or starve angiogenesis or starve a cancer by cutting off its blood supply. Make it fresh, drink it fresh, get all the good stuff out of it.
In this video, we're revealing the top 4 juices that can supercharge your body's natural healing powers, thanks to the groundbreaking research of Dr. William Li. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Meet Dr. William Li, a world-renowned medical doctor and researcher with Harvard training. Dr. Li is also a New York Times best-selling author, celebrated for his book Eat to Beat Disease: The New Science of How Your Body Can Heal Itself. Recently, he released another insightful book titled Eat to Beat Your Diet: Burn Fat, Heal Your Metabolism, and Live Longer.
One of the things that I wanted to be able to do is to talk about things that we can juice or that you have juiced, and let's go ahead and exchange ideas about, health benefits and tastes and ways that you can actually create and use juicing.
Juicing gives your body a direct shot of the nutrients it needs to repair itself. Fresh fruits and vegetables contain bioactive compounds, natural chemicals that help your immune system, blood vessels, and even your DNA.
When most people think about healthy juices, right? I mean, what's trending now are green juices. So anything that you can pop into a juicer and make it green, well, that's a lot of stuff. And that's good news because pretty much Mother Nature's pharmacy with an F has a lot of stuff that has got green colors in it. And so people always ask me, what kind of green juice should I actually drink, or what kind of juice should I drink? What I tell people is that the answer is really not limited to a single juice, but really understanding how your body responds to whatever you're actually going to put into it, including different types of juices. So we've got health defense systems that are hardwired in our bodies. There's 5 of them: our circulation, our stem cells, our gut health, our DNA as a defense system, and of course our immunity.
Your body is not a passive machine. It's an intelligent, self-healing system. Every single day, it's fighting inflammation, repairing damage, and eliminating harmful cells. And what you feed it either supports that process or sabotages it. Let's dive into the top 4 juices that heal your body and starve cancer. Number 1. Citrus.
When it comes to immunity, it's something that we're all thinking about now. Like, what can we do simply and deliciously that can boost our immunity? And so, a lot of different things in foods can boost immunity. One of them is actually citrus because it contains a lot of vitamin C and healthy bioactives. So, what do you got in terms of, oh, look at that, beautiful. So those of you who are, we start talking about green for green juice, but it could be orange and orange juices. I think that, you don't have to be a painter to appreciate the wonderful aspects of color, and color is almost a signal that Mother Nature's actually put something really good in what you're about to juice. Now, I also say that when you go to the market in the winter, there's lots of different kinds of citrus out there, right? So you've got your juicing oranges, you've got your caracara, you've got your mandarins, you got the tangerines. What I would say is that it doesn't really matter which one you choose. Get one that can make something that tastes good to you and that you can afford within your price range. And actually, if you're going to try different ones, appreciate the slightly different flavors. That's actually part of the wonderful thing about juicing.
Our first healing juice comes from the citrus family: oranges, tangerines, mandarins, and grapefruits. These colorful fruits are loaded with vitamin C, which helps strengthen your immune system and protect your body from illness. But that's not all. Citrus fruits also contain natural plant compounds called flavonoids. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and support healthy blood vessels. Each citrus fruit has its own unique benefits. Caracara oranges contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant also found in tomatoes, while blood oranges are rich in anthocyanins, which help fight inflammation and protect your cells. The best part? You don't need to find the perfect citrus fruit. Any fresh orange, mandarin, tangerine, or grapefruit is a healthy choice. For the most benefits, drink your juice fresh. Freshly squeezed juice contains more vitamins and antioxidants than many bottled juices, making it a simple and delicious way to support your health every day. Number 2. Grapefruit juice.
So grapefruit actually helps angiogenesis from the other side of the equation. So let's walk around to the other side of angiogenesis, where we want to help our body keep just the right number of blood vessels, not too many. Too many blood vessels actually is not good for you. Like life is all about balance, right? Excess isn't really good. You don't have enough, it's not good. You have too many, it's also bad. So what happens when you have too many blood vessels? Well, it wreaks havoc in your health. For example, if you have a lot of blood vessels that grow in your eye, like in aging or in diabetes, those blood vessels can bleed and you can lose your vision. Or even more importantly, is that our bodies are always forming these little microscopic tumors that are harmless cancers, and our immune system normally wipes them out. But if our cancer, these little microscopic cancers, figure out how to hijack our angiogenesis system, they can selfishly grow blood vessels to feed themselves, and they can explode in growth. So I did research at the National Cancer Institute studying food. We didn't tell the NCI that they was aware it's just studying food. We gave them stuff and we labeled it as if it were a drug, and they were testing it with drugs, but we were actually putting stuff in from grapefruits. There hesperidin and narogenin. These are all these extracts that are present in the flesh of grapefruit. And what we found is that what's in a grapefruit will actually inhibit or starve angiogenesis or starve a cancer by cutting off its blood supply. So here's not only a good way to get vitamin C, which is also anti-inflammatory, but it's also a way of actually helping to right size the circulation so you don't have too many blood vessels that grow. It's kind of a cancer starving drink.
Grapefruit juice is much more than a refreshing drink. It's packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural plant compounds that help keep your body healthy. Vitamin C supports your immune system, helps repair body tissues, and boosts collagen production, which is important for healthy skin, bones, and blood vessels. One of grapefruit's most beneficial compounds is naringenin. This natural antioxidant helps reduce inflammation, supports liver health, and aids digestion. It also helps protect your cells from damage, allowing your body to repair and renew itself more effectively. One important thing to remember is that grapefruit juice can interact with certain medications by changing how your body processes them. If you take prescription medicines, it's a good idea to check with your doctor before drinking grapefruit juice regularly. Overall, grapefruit juice is a nutritious, refreshing choice that can help support your immune system, fight inflammation, and promote better overall health. Number 3. Beet juice.
Now, beets actually contain a lot of nitrogen from the soil. And when you actually drink or eat beets or consume beets, your tongue has its own healthy gut bacteria that change the nitrogen in beets into a form where you swallow it. It gets absorbed into your bloodstream as nitric oxide. That's so beautiful. I love that. I love the color. And that nitric oxide in your body actually helps your blood vessels grow. So it's another way, along with the apples, to support your circulation.
If you're looking for a natural way to boost your energy, beet juice is an excellent choice. Beets are rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This helps relax and widen your blood vessels, improving blood flow and delivering more oxygen to your muscles. The result is better stamina, improved exercise performance, and less strain on your heart. Beet juice also supports healthy circulation and helps your body repair tissues by promoting the growth of healthy blood vessels. The deep red color of beets comes from natural compounds called betalains. These powerful antioxidants help reduce inflammation, protect your cells from damage, and support your body's natural detoxification process. For the greatest benefits, drink beet juice fresh. If you find the flavor too earthy, mix it with apple or orange juice for a sweeter taste and an extra boost of nutrients. A glass of fresh beet juice is a simple and delicious way to support your heart, increase your energy, and improve your overall health. Number 4. Apple juice.
Now, we want good circulation. So we want to make sure that we are helping our body grow all the blood vessels it needs. It turns out that fruit peel, like apple peel, for example, actually contains something called ursolic acid. And ursolic acid actually stimulates blood vessels from growing. And this is one of the reasons where I think if you can afford organic, here's a good reason to buy organic, because you want the fruit peel. The ursolic acid is actually in the peel. But go ahead and juice the whole thing because now you get the fiber. And that fiber is good for another health defensive systems we'll talk about in a second. But I love the fact that you can actually juice apple. And with an apple, if you really if you take a look in the drink section of your grocery store, and all the bottled stuff that like is that other people make, big companies make, if you take a look at their ingredients, most of them use apple juice as the base for almost any other flavoring. And so here's a way for you to create your own base at home. Doesn't have to be just apple cider. And by the way, you want that cloudiness. The cloudiness actually is really great for you because that's got all these polyphenols from the meat of the apple itself.
You've probably heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. There's some truth behind it, especially when you eat the apple with its peel. Apple skins contain ursolic acid, a natural compound that supports healthy blood flow and helps your body repair and maintain healthy blood vessels. When making apple juice, leave the peel on whenever possible. It also contains antioxidants and fiber that help protect your cells, support gut health, and aid digestion. That's why fresh, slightly cloudy apple juice is often more nutritious than clear, filtered juice. Good circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout your body, supporting your heart, brain, and overall energy levels. For the best nutrition, use the whole apple peel and all. If possible, choose organic apples, wash them well, and enjoy fresh juice for the greatest health benefits. Before you start juicing, keep these simple tips in mind. 1. Drink it fresh. Freshly made juice contains the most vitamins and antioxidants. 2. Save the pulp. It's packed with fiber and beneficial plant nutrients. 3. Mix different colors. Each colorful fruit and vegetable provides its own unique health benefits. 4. Choose organic when possible. This is especially helpful if you're using the peel. 5. Enjoy in moderation. About 6 to 8 ounces of fresh juice a day is enough for most people.